Hello everyone. I want to go through my morning Gua Sha technique that I talk to my clients about all the time, and so I wanted to put something out here that you guys can go to and create your own or use mine, but this just gives you some nice tips and tricks. This is one of our team favorite oils. This is a very lightweight hydrating oil with vitamin C and plant stem cells, but you can use whatever you like. Jojoba oil or rosehip oil are also my two other favorites. You want to put a liberal amount on the face. I'm going to go through the technique. This is a one-directional technique, so you're not going to go back and forth. It's just one direction, and I usually stick with a pass of 10 times per area. So I'm going to keep my talking to a minimum right now and just kind of show you my technique. Doing upward strokes does open up your channels. Kind of gets your lymphatic system moving and your circulation moving. Then I go down to kind of stimulate drainage. You want to see some light pink coming to the skin, that's circulation. That also tells you that you are stimulating collagen and elastin. You can kind of wiggle at the end as well, that helps drainage. Take your curved edge and do your jaw 10 times. And this is my 11th time, but I wanted to show you this kind of gets underneath your hyoid and helps with kind of chiseling your jaw and your neck out. Take your flat-ish edge, this is mine, and go up. You're also stretching your orbicularis oris muscle, which kind of draws your mouth down as we age, what we call trout mouth. You're stretching this. After 10, you'll kind of go up the face and hold an area so you're not stretching your skin too much. Same with going under your eye. You're going to go lighter pressure. This pressure is kind of medium up till now. You kind of lighten it up just a bit under the eye. This tissue is much more gentle. And then over your eye, you can take and go underneath your eyebrow and lift. Feels amazing. Your forehead's a little tricky because it's so bony. So you are going to go up. And you do a pass of 10. And when you're done, you kind of drain everything down. You kind of go in to out and then down. And you kind of wiggle just a little, and it kind of pumps everything through the system. And you can take this and go like this to drain it through your lymph nodes underneath your armpits. That's just the one side, just to show you the technique. If you have questions, I am here. Feel free to reach out to us.